how to change country in Google Play Store. Now, this is actually quite simple. I want you to go ahead and just basically open your Google Play Store and then click your account here. Next, I want you to go ahead and look for the payments and subscriptions. Next, go ahead and click payment methods. And then if you're going to scroll down, there is an option there that says more payment settings. Go ahead and click that over there. Now from here, what you're going to do is just click this 3 vertical lines here, and then we're going to open the settings. And then from here, what you're going to see is the country or region. All right, I want you to go ahead and click this one over here. And then in order for us to change the country, we actually need to create a new profile. So just click this one over here and then go ahead and click continue. Now this time, go ahead and click this and choose another country. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose South Korea. There you go. Click the continue button over here. And yeah, basically from this point forward, I need to fill in another profile. So we have name and address, and afterwards I should be able to submit this one. So yeah, make sure that this address is in Korea as well. And that, everybody, is how you're going to change country in Google Play Store.